In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you need to pinch your device's display, select widget at the bottom, scroll down to look for Google section under Android widget, so hit Android widget and pick Google here, and scroll down one more time to find the search bar. Now hold it, drag it to the proper place, and when you finished, let go. Then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!